Do this to get 67 warm leads from Google Ads every single month. In this video, I'm gonna be breaking down exactly how we're implementing this simple strategy in Google Ads, and I'm gonna take you behind the scenes and show you exactly what we're doing to help this local clinic generate 67 warm leads on the phone, ready to book an appointment with you every single month. Now, even though this example is gonna be for a physiotherapy clinic, this applies to any local business, whether you are a window cleaning service, lawn care, snow removal, whatever it is, this applies to your business as well. As long as people are searching for the services that you provide, this strategy is gonna be applicable to you. So without further ado, let's jump in and let me show you exactly how you can do this for yourself. All right, so here we are. We are now in the Google Ad account for the client that we're working with. And this is the results from the year to date. So as you can see, this is from January, a little bit early in December, all the way to, as of the time of recording, August of 2023. And you can see we spent about $10,000 and we've gotten over 2,100 clicks, 2,141 to be exact, at a cost per conversion of about $24.39. Most of these are phone calls, but some of these are just lead forms as well. And you can see the total amount of conversions we've gotten are 438. And these are all warm prospects ready to book appointments and ready to become customers, more or less. So this is the strategy. As you can see on the left-hand side, we have 3 campaigns. Now, if you're not familiar with this dashboard, this is the Google Ad Accounts dashboard in the back end. Now, I'm on expert mode, and this is what it's gonna look like. So if you are familiar with Google Ads, and you'll know what I'm talking about. If not, I have some other videos on my channel as far as how to set up Google Ads for beginners, and so you can get more familiar with this dashboard overall. Now, on the left-hand side, as you can see, we have 3 different campaigns. We have, first of all, a branded search campaign in Pickering, which is the location of this actual clinic. And then we have a chiropractor campaign, which is focused on keywords related to that service. And then we have a physiotherapy campaign, which is another search campaign for keywords related to that particular service. So very, very simple, very easy to understand. And that's the point, right? It needs to be easy and simple to understand. When you are setting up Google Ads, think simple and effective strategies over trying to overwhelm yourself and complicate things. Do the things that are the minimum viable strategies that are going to get you the result that you're looking for, and expand from there if you want to invest more. The more you're scaling, the more you might need to look at alternative methods in order to grow your customer acquisition and scale your business. But when you're just looking to get started and looking to generate leads in the most efficient way possible, you want to keep things simple. So let's start out here on the branded search campaign. Now, this is something that we do for all clients and we recommend any business doing. Now, all we are doing here, we're spending $5 a day and we're just targeting keywords related to our business. So obviously in your local area, some people have been to your business and want to search for your business because they want to book another appointment with you or whatever it might be. And in this case, we are actually doing a campaign that is just targeting the keywords related to our business. Now, what this does is it makes sure that we're always showing at the top of Google for any keywords that are related to our business. And we're also able to dominate and make sure our competitors aren't bidding on our own keywords and stealing away some of those searches and customers that are looking for us. So as you can see on this campaign, we have 302 clicks at an average cost per click of $3.15. And our conversion rate is very high because we have so many people that are searching for us and they're already warm, they already know about us, and they're just looking to book a call with us. So if you look at the cost per conversion, it's about $6.30. So this is just a no-brainer campaign that every business should be running. Now, how is this campaign set up? Very simply, if you scroll down here, you can see the location that we're targeting is 15 kilometers, right? Or about 10 miles from the actual postal code or the exact area that our business is located. So you actually entered into where our business is. And in general, if you're a local business, you probably only service people that are in a certain radius around your business. And so we only want to target people that are within that certain amount of radius that people are willing to drive to experience and visit our location. So that's the first part. And we can do that in the settings over here. And I'll show you how to do that in just a moment here. Now, if you scroll down here, we can see the keywords that we're targeting. The only ones that you really need to be aware of are we're just targeting Amber Leah Physio here. So Amber Leah is the clinic and we are targeting their specific keyword, and that's how we're generating them the results for this. So essentially everybody who's searching for Amber Leah, which is the branded name for this business, they are going to essentially see our ads first in the search results and making sure that we are at the top. Now, this is the actual ad itself. So you can see we have the clinic here. We're getting a 20% click-through rate on this. And then we do have some site link extensions here as well, which is a little bit more high level and complex, but I'll do my best to show you this as well on a high level and how you can do this. So let's go to the settings here and I'll just show you how we have the settings configured for this campaign. So like I said, this is a search campaign. We have the marketing objective set to leads. The location that we're targeting, again, we're using a radius around the postal code. So when you enter a location or targeting, you can actually enter a region or a postal code. So we recommend doing the postal code around your local business to make sure you're targeting people that just operate around your specific location. We have the languages in English, budget at $5 a day. We have the bidding at a target CPA of $4. In your case, I wouldn't worry about doing a target CPA. I would just do maximize conversions and just take this off. It's not going to impact your results that much. And that's really the only settings that you need to be aware of in this particular case. Let's go over to the ads quickly and let me show you what we're doing for that. So for the ads, you can see we just have this one main ad that's getting all of the clicks here. You can see we have a 29% click-through rates. If we go into the settings and how this ad was created, it is a responsive search ad, which pretty much means that we're able to add in 15 different headlines that Google can automatically optimize for us. And then we have 4 different descriptions as well that are related to our clinic and our business overall as well. So we've added all these different descriptions in. All we're doing here is just describing the business, what we do, and some of the benefits, right? So same day bookings available, right? Call for a free evaluation, etc. And then we also have some of these images as well that are related to our services. And then we have the site links as well, which I'll show you in a moment here. As far as additional assets, we also have our phone number here, so people can book directly from the Google ad. And then we also have the call outs, and then we have some structured snippets, which are some additional extensions. And then we also have the location as well of the business. So we have a lot of different things that are configured here in the settings, and this overall makes it a really great ad. And as far as where we're sending the traffic to, we're sending them all to a simple landing page that's related to our most popular, most beneficial service, which is physiotherapy. And they're able to book now by clicking this link. They're able to learn a lot more about us right here and all of the different services that we provide, all of the different treatments that are available for different conditions. And again, just a ton of call to actions to book a call, schedule a free 15-minute consultation, and then all the different other services that we offer as well. So a really high converting, a really well-structured landing page, and that's how we're getting the results on this campaign. So lastly, if we come over to ads and then we go to assets here, you can see all of the different assets or extensions that we have essentially. So we have all these different call out extensions, which are pretty much just little snippets that you want to add in related to your services. So come visit us today, contact us, easy online booking. And then you can see as far as site link extensions, which are those little links that appear below ads, below the search ad that has links to other web pages. You can see here we have meet the team, services, Pickering, physio, book an appointment, contact us today. We just have different links to different web pages on their website that essentially link them to all those other pages if they want to check those out instead of the main page. So that is the first campaign. Now let's go over to the main campaigns here. So I'm just going to show you the physiotherapy campaign because this is the main service. The chiropractor campaign is the exact same, except it speaks to the chiropractic services instead of physio services, and it goes to a chiropractic landing page instead of a physio one, but everything else is going to stay the same. So for this physio campaign, as you can see here, we've spent 7.47K. So we spent $7,400 on this one campaign. This is getting most of the budget at a cost per click of $5.50. Now you might be thinking that's quite a lot, but again, all these people are warm leads, ready to book an appointment, ready to buy. And so it's very, very worth it in that sense. And the cost per conversion, because our landing page is highly converting, is $35, which you can do the math on that. But about 1 in 7 people are actually booking in a call after clicking this ad. So very high converting, and we've gotten about 209 conversions in the last 9 months. And so how is this campaign built overall? It follows the same strategy. So we're using the postal code here, and we have 10 kilometers around our location. So we did this a little bit tighter so that we could focus our budget on people that are even closer to our location. If we wanted to scale and get more people that are searching, we could easily expand that distance around our location to get more people in. And essentially that's how you want to scale this, is essentially just increasing the radius of who you're targeting, and then you'll get more people searching and more volume. But obviously the further they are away, the less engaged they're going to be and the less likely they are to drive all the way to your location. So as far as the keyword targeting goes, very, very simple here as well. We're just targeting keywords related to the services that we're providing. So we're literally just targeting physiotherapy on phrase match, physiotherapist, and physio in Pickering, all on phrase match. And then what we're doing to make sure that we're not getting any bad searches coming through for competitors, things like that, is we're using negative keywords to filter everything out, which I'll show you in a moment. And you can see here, these are all the different keywords that are coming in related to our business. So a ton of different searches for us. And these are all coming in related to physio. Tons of people are searching for physiotherapy on a daily basis, and we're getting in front of all of these people no matter what they're searching. As long as physiotherapy is, or physiotherapist is in the search, we are showing up for that, and Google is automatically optimizing for the maximum conversions based on the searches. So let's quickly look at the keyword targeting itself here a little bit further. So if we go to keywords and then we go to search keywords here, again, as you can see, all of the spend pretty much is going to these main few keywords here. Cost per conversion is about $33. For physiotherapists, about $32. There's just less volume for that. And you can see here some of the costs and things associated with that. Now, again, to filter this out and how we're getting these results is we are using lists. So we're using a competitor list to filter out any competitor search names that are in the searches so that those aren't showing up. And then we're also using a general negatives list, which has a ton of different keywords you can see here that are just for the terms that we don't want. If anybody has any of these terms in their search, we don't want to be showing up for any of these terms because, you know, they're looking to employ people, or looking for legal advice, or they're looking for a class, or, you know, a store or something like that, right? So we want to be filtering out all this stuff so that we don't get any bad traffic coming through. So that's essentially the keyword targeting settings there. Now, if we go to the actual ad itself, as you can see here, we have this one main ad, and we are split testing this constantly. So we are always rotating in another ad to split test against. But you can see here, we're getting a 5.38% click-through rate. Our cost per click is about $5.52. And again, the conversion rate is super high at 15%. So let's look at this ad. And again, it follows the exact same structure as the branded search ad. So if we click on this, we can see we have it going to the physiotherapist landing page that I just showed you. The headlines are all related to the keywords that we're targeting. So they all speak to physiotherapy in one form or another. So we have Amber Leah Physiotherapy, Pickering Physio Clinic, physiotherapy in Ajax, accident injury physio, tons of different stuff related to physiotherapy. And then you can see here we have the descriptions as well, which are also related to physiotherapy. And then we also have some images related to physio as well. And then we have the site links and everything like that also relates to physio. We have the phone number, everything like that. So this is the ad. Again, all you want to do as far as the search ads go, add in your keywords related to your service, and then make your headlines and your descriptions, you know, describing or related to the searches that you're targeting, right? And that's all you want to do. That's how you're going to get the most click-through rate possible and the best possible results. And lastly, the settings on this campaign, as you can see, we're spending $47.5 per day. That's the budget that we've gone for, but we could easily increase that if we wanted to increase the total amount of calls and leads that we're getting every single month. You can see here, we're optimizing for leads. The campaign status, again, is enabled. The locations are 10 kilometers around the radius of our location. Our budget is $47 a day. It's saying our campaign is limited by budget, so we could easily increase that. We do have a target CPA, but again, you can just do maximize conversions without the target CPA. That's totally fine. And then we have all the other settings are pretty much just the stock settings. And again, the Cairo campaign is doing the exact same thing, except we just have a lesser budget here because we don't really want to be optimizing for this a ton on the front end. Has the exact same strategy, except all the ads are related to chiropractic, and the ad itself is going to a chiropractic specific focused landing page so that people are, you know, aware that this is actually relevant to their search terms, and then they can learn about how we actually provide chiropractic services in the exact same landing page structure format. And this is our call rail account, which is what we're using to track the phone calls coming through. And so you can see from January to about August at the time of recording, we've generated 603 calls. And if we do the math on that, we can see 603 calls divided by 9 is 67 calls every single month. And if you do the math on that even further, right, we can see the actual ROI of our advertising efforts. And you'd be surprised, but let's do the math right here, right? So if we do the math here, if we have 603 calls, and let's say half of these people book an appointment with us, right? So let's times this by 5, right? So all these warm leads that called us, half of them actually book an appointment, right? So of those half, we have 301 people that book an appointment for a free consultation or whatever it would be. And let's say another half of these people that actually called and booked an appointment and showed up are actually going to be converting to paying customers. So let's go times that by another 0.5. So we can see we have 150 people that are actually going to be paying customers for us. And let's say of this, again, half of these people actually continue to come back and show up and continue to invest money with us and continue to use our services. So now we have 75 people from our efforts over the last 9 months that are actually lifetime customers that we've generated from our efforts. Now remember, we spent $10,000. So if each of these people spend on lifetime average of about $1,000, times this by 1,000, and we've generated $75,000 from our Google advertising efforts with about $10,000 in spend at about a 7.5 to 1 ROI, right? And so you can see how this is extremely cost effective to do this, and you're able to scale this up repeatedly and consistently. Now, obviously you want to know your metrics and confidently being able to scale by understanding your metrics, but this is how the strategy works overall and the types of results that we're able to get by using Google Ads properly to book you appointments and generate you new customers every single day, every single month, and every single year. So there you go. I hope you found that video valuable and it showed you how we're booking 67 warm leads every single month from Google Ads, so you can take this and apply it to your own business. Now, if you did enjoy the video, make sure to hit that like button. It really helps me rank better in the algorithm and helps a small channel like mine grow and reach more people. Now, also make sure to hit that subscribe button as well so you don't miss out on any of the latest content coming from me related to growing your business with digital marketing and paid advertising overall, and other omni-channel growth strategies that we're implementing at our current agency for our clients. And also, if you had any questions, make sure to leave me a comment as well. I'm personally getting back to everybody in the comments, so let me know if you have any questions there, and I'm happy to get back to you. And finally, if you are a business that wants help implementing some of these strategies for your business to help you grow your revenue and your overall customer acquisition on autopilot, I'll leave a link in the description to book a call with me. Happy to chat and see if we're a good fit to help you grow further and implement some of this stuff for you. Thanks so much, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.